1 minute 5 seconds.
Hello everyone, welcome to Tim Slow channel. Today we're gonna give you 3 golden tips for the handstand. It's very important for you to focus on doing them properly because that's going to shape your form. That's going to make sure that you're able to perform the exercise with the proper technique. First golden tip is going to be about the shoulders. Always you have to push them as high as you can, never release. It's like you have to have the feeling as you're pushing the word, like you're pushing yourself off the ground. You will feel a very nice stretch around the scapular zone. You will feel that your head will be in between your shoulders. You shouldn't be leaning forward, otherwise that's gonna put more tension on the shoulder and you will not be able to perform the exercise for a prolonged amount of time. And executing the proper technique is going to assure that you can hold for a longer time and obviously not getting tired as quick. Tip number 2 is going to be about the pelvis, about your core. You really need to engage it in the best way possible. There will be a retraction where you're going to be shortening your abdominal area, where you're going to afterwards push with the pelvis forward in order to activate all the muscles that involve into the core, and this is going to make you a very solid line on the handstand combined with the shoulder push. From here the hands will be down, touching, the shoulders will be pushing, the hips will be contracting, so you shorten the distance in your core, then you elevate it, and this is your handstand. Tip number 3 is going to be the hold. The longer you hold against the wall, the more seconds you zoom up, the easier it will be for you to transfer the exercise from the wall to free handstanding. You must apply the shoulder and the pelvis technique against the wall in order to assure that you're making the proper technique before you actually start practicing the free handstanding. Alright, let's go.
Looks straight, yeah, very good.